Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm excited to guide you through the process of accessing the Google Workspace admin console. This tutorial is essential for anyone tasked with managing their organization's Google services. Whether you're adding new team members, fine-tuning security settings, or organizing various elements within your Google Workspace environment. Let's dive into this comprehensive, step-by-step guide to ensure you can navigate the admin console with ease. To get started, you'll first need to open your preferred web browser. Once you've done that, type in the URL for Google Workspace by entering workspace.google.com. If you attempt to log in using a personal email address, you won't be granted access to the admin settings you need. Enter your business email and the corresponding password to proceed. If you haven't set this up before, it might be necessary to contact your IT department or the person responsible for managing your Google Workspace to provide you access. Once you have successfully logged in, you will be greeted with a page featuring various Google Apps tools. To access the admin console from this point, move your cursor to the top right corner of the screen, where you'll spot a grid icon. This grid icon represents the Google Apps menu and is your gateway to the suite of applications linked to your Workspace account. Click on this menu, and a drop-down list of various icons will appear. Look for the icon labeled Admin, which is often highlighted with a gear symbol, indicating settings and management capabilities. Click on this admin icon, and voila! You are now inside the admin console interface. Congratulations! You have successfully accessed the Google Workspace admin console. Here, you can efficiently manage your organization's digital environment, from user accounts to security settings. Remember, it's always a good practice to log out of your admin session when you're done, especially if you're using a shared device. This step is vital to maintaining the security of your organization's data. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to accessing the Google Workspace admin console. Whenever you need to manage your organization's Google services, just follow these simple steps and you'll be set. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments below.